Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Corie. I am a high school family and consumer science teacher, but I love all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle and wellness. So you get a little bit of everything here on my channel. Emphasis on the wellness part recently. I'm like really into that. But this week I am filming a week in the life vlog for you guys with an emphasis. I feel like I'm talking about like a college major or something. But I wanted to show you guys what I eat in a week. As you guys know, I am plus size. I am not on a diet. I am recovering from an eating disorder, so I try really hard to not be super restrictive with my eating, but I also try to add in a lot of healthy foods when I can. Also, I know I look super washed out. Part of that is because I'm only wearing makeup from here up, because my school district, because of the new variant, we are back on wearing face masks. And my biggest tip, if you're having to wear a face mask all day, is do not wear makeup underneath your face mask, because that is just going to aid in the bacteria sinking into your pores and causing you to break out. So we just don't do that. So I don't wear makeup from here down because nobody's gonna see it anyways. I did want to tell you guys, which you guys have heard me talk about this before, but every day for breakfast, I drink one of these Carnation Breakfast Essentials Nutritional drink. I drink the rich milk chocolate flavor. Sometimes I get the high protein ones, but this is what they look like. And I'm not gonna drink this right now. I usually drink it during my first period class. So it's really easy. I can just pop the cap off and just drink it like I'm drinking my water. That's the other thing. I drink about, if I had to guess, probably 3. This is a 32 ounce cup, and I probably drink about 3 or 4 of these a day. So I will catch you guys up at lunch on what I'm eating, and then today, as far as to-do list items go, we are starting our new semester next week, which means that I need to get some lesson plans ready because we are not in class on Monday and Tuesday, so I only have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And this next semester I have 5 preps that I'm teaching, so which means 5 different classes that I'm teaching, which means that I need to prep the lesson plan. So for the first week, I have all of my lesson plans done. For the second week, I need to do my lesson plans for Interior Design 2 and 1010. And then I also need to do my lesson plans for Sewing 2. So that's on the agenda for today at work. And then I also have a bunch of stuff that I want to do once I get home. So I am going to get to work on all of that, and I will talk to you guys at lunch. It is lunchtime now. My eyes were really bothering me, so I have my blue light glasses on, and now to show you guys what I eat for lunch. So pretty much every day I try to have some kind of fruit for lunch. So today I have 2 cuties, and then I pretty much always have a peanut butter sandwich. So this is just white bread with peanut butter on it. And if I'm not eating a peanut butter sandwich, it's usually that I have leftovers from some sort of lunch that I ate. And then today I have Cheez-Its in my filing cabinet, so I'm gonna eat some Cheez-Its. And then it's my prep period, so I have a lot of lesson planning to get done for the next semester, so I'm gonna work on that. Wow, I am shiny. Maskne is back. It is a little bit later now. It is probably about 4 o'clock. I came home from work. I took Juju on a walk, as always. That is our weekly ritual. Every day I get home from work, I immediately take Juju on a walk. And then I am now making dinner. So it's a really easy recipe. It's called Poor Man's Lasagna. So basically you just take a jar of pasta sauce, 1 pound of ground beef browned, and 2 cups of rotini. cooked. You put it in a casserole dish, top it with mozzarella, and bake it for 30 minutes. So I have my pasta sauce and my rotini, or pasta sauce and beef. My rotini is cooking for 3 more minutes, and then I will mix it all together, top it with mozzarella, and put it in for 30 minutes. I'm going to email a couple of brands right now about potential partnerships, and then I'm going to fold some clothes. Good morning, you guys. I have not done my makeup yet, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit. This top is from Shein, jeans are from Old Navy, and then the same mules from Walmart. I'm really vibing with this top. I think it's really cool, kind of like a tunic style. Hello, you guys. Good morning. It is Wednesday now, and I am actually like starving for no good reason, but I am going to drink my breakfast drink now. And I do have some carrots in my, I have a mini fridge down here underneath my desk. So if I get like starving, I'll either have those or I have some roasted and salted almonds that fill me up really fast. So I'll just have a small handful of those if I get starving. I don't know if you can tell, I have like bags under my eyes. I'm so tired. I went to sleep at 7:30 last night, so I really have no good reason to be tired. As always, I'm here before my contract time starts. I have a bunch of stuff that I want to get done today for work. I'm going to take care of my Canvas courses and get those prepped for the new semester. Forgot to show you guys, but I had 2 of the cuties that I also had yesterday, and now it's lunch and I'm eating just leftover of dinner that I made last night, the poor man's lasagna, and it's really good. So, and a super easy recipe, but this is what I'm eating. Hello, you guys. I am home from work now, and I am not even remotely hungry, so I probably won't be eating anytime soon, but I am going to clean my bathroom and organize the drawers, so I thought I would take you along. So here is the before of the top drawer, second drawer. This third drawer is probably the worst, but I am actually going to switch the drawers over because my husband has been wanting to swap. So I'm going to switch everything over and organize it, and then I'll show you. Okay, so I just finished organizing the drawers. I'm going to show you mine. So first we have this one. This is like my skincare drawer. So skincare, prescription, makeup wipes, cotton pads, and then claw clips, scrunchies, etc. The second one, it doesn't look organized, but like it is. This is all extra skincare products. And then down here, these are all extra inhalers, pads and tampons, self-tanner, extra claw clips. So that feels good. Good morning, you guys. Here is my outfit for today. This shirt is new from Shein. These pants are from ASOS. They're old. And then the same loafers that I wore yesterday. So I didn't film much last night. I took a shower and got into bed, and like I still didn't do my hair this morning because it's just that kind of a week. And I didn't eat anything else last night, which is not good. Like, I'm not recommending that, but I just was not hungry. I guess I just had too many Cheez-Its yesterday and I just didn't eat for the rest of the night. But have my breakfast drink again today. Okay, it is lunch. Trevor finished off the poor man's lasagna last night, which means that I'm back to peanut butter sandwich and 2 cuties with a side of Cheez-Its. I'm really vibing with making a green smoothie when I get home, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. I will see you guys later. Okay, I'm home now. I just got back from walking Juju. Trevor is over there, and
what'd you get from Amazon, babe?
I got a whole bunch of packages and I'm not completely sure what they are. This package is from Monica Venator Jewelry. I am doing a brand deal with them. Wow, those are tiny. You're never gonna be able to see this, but I got these really tiny gold twisty hoops. I got this gold chain, which is perfect. I just wanted this for, actually, this necklace that I'm wearing. And then these ones are also really pretty. It's another huggy set earring. So thank you to Monica Venator for partnering with me, and I'm excited to try this jewelry out. Another huggy set because apparently I needed more. This one is from Amazon. This is a chenille cozy loungewear top and bottom set that I got off of Amazon. And I'm excited. It's a cream color and it's like really soft. It's a plant pot. That's what it is. Yes. Oof. And this one comes with a nice wooden stand, so it looks really cute and mid-century modern. And it has drainage holes, so that's really good. I think this is still too small for my monstera, but that's a story for another day, and that's all that I got. So the lounge set is going to get returned. If you guys didn't know, I am 6'1". My husband is, what did we decide, 6'6"?
5.
Whatever. Anyways, but look at how short these are on me. I literally cannot. Trevor's here, making his like single appearance in the vlog as always.
Kind of talking about ideas correlating with oh.
How do I stop it? So I'm drinking my green smoothie for dinner, and I have to film content for a TikTok, so I am going to do that right now. So I am going to do my skincare and head to bed, but I did want to let you guys know the book that I'm currently reading. It's Homework by Julie Andrews. It's her memoir, and I'm really enjoying it. I am over halfway through. I have this much to go, so almost done, but it's really good, and it's given me quite a bit of insight on her life and Hollywood and how things worked back then, so I would highly recommend it. Gonna finish my smoothie, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, you guys. It is Friday, and I am wearing this lavender sweater. I believe I got this from ASOS. If I didn't get it from ASOS, it's from Nordstrom, like several years ago. But I love this sweater. It's nice and long, and I'm just wearing it with jeans and Doc Martens. And today is the last day of our semester, so that's kind of a big deal. And then as far as what I ate this morning, I had the other half of my green smoothie this morning. I just put it in like a travel cup and I drank it on my way to work, and now I'm just pounding water. So I'm going to get started on some work for the day, and I will talk to you guys a little bit later. Hello, you guys. It is now Saturday. I have makeup on today because I just, oh, burp. Why do I always do that? I always start filming and then I burp. I don't know how to control it, but I just finished filming my everyday makeup routine, which is nice and simple. And then Trevor is at work this morning, so he is gone. So I'm going to sit down on the couch and I'm going to watch Cheer on Netflix and edit that video that I just filmed. So see you in a second. So it is a little bit later now. My video is uploading, which is exciting, and I am sitting here. I'm watching Michelle Reed, which is one of my favorite YouTubers, and don't mind the fact that I burned it, but I'm making myself a quesadilla for lunch. But I am going to sign off the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any requests for videos you'd like to see in the future, please let me know in the comments. You guys are just the best, and I will see you guys next week. Bye, guys.